Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade index options using Interactive Brokers. First, you need to log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading platform. If you are using their desktop application, make sure you have the most recent version installed to access all the latest features. Next, look for the option to create a new order. You can find the search bar where you can type in the index you are interested in, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq. Once you locate the correct index, select Options from the menu. This will provide you with a list of available index options, including calls and puts. Remember that options have expiration dates, so check the expiration that fits your trading strategy. After selecting the index option you want to trade, pay attention to the listed premiums and strike prices. Here, you will need to decide if you want to buy or sell the option. Make sure to enter the desired quantity and review the order before submitting it. You can also set specific conditions for your order, such as limit or market orders, depending on your trading preferences. Finally, once your order is placed, monitor it closely. You can track the performance of your index options through the Interactive Brokers platform. It's essential to stay updated with market changes and be ready to adjust your strategy as needed. With practice, navigating index options on Interactive Brokers will become a straightforward process.